Hey, what is going on, you guys? This is Keen over at Askajeeper, and today we have another video showing you how to replace and install a brand new map position sensor for your Cherokee XJ. Let's get started. Alright, let's get started. Simple and easy. All you have to do is pull the plug from the map sensor along with the hose on the left side. Be very careful, however, not to break the clip off while unplugging. Unscrew the bolts on either side and remove the old map sensor to replace with the new one. Just as a safety precaution, make sure you keep the hardware together so you don't lose it. Taking the new sensor, make sure to plug everything back in and screw the bolts on either side tightly in. Tried.
You go do your own video.